Remember we talked about torque settings? When you do use them, remember to adjust your drill to screws only. That is the only adjustment where torque settings is applicable. Now I'm going to set the torque settings, say, on 8, because I want to show you the effect on these screws the further you set these. What we want to achieve is to get the screw head flush with this without making further adjustments, so that all the screws will go in the same. You see it stops there, which means this is not tough enough. Let's put it on 10, 12. You see the drill point stops. Let's see this one. You see, it's the same depth. So that means 12 isn't enough. So let's put it on 15. "15 is a little bit much because it drives it further in. So let's put it on 14. "13. I think 13 is the way to go. That means you can set it on 13 and run with the screws. I hope that explains it well. I just want to talk about the impact screwdriver that is also on the market. This machine has a hammer action in the clockwise or anti-clockwise direction. It is the same action you achieve when you have a nut that is very tight and you want to loosen it, and you can't, then you have to use a hammer to help you like that. It has exactly the same action that this impact driver gives you. It is though a little bit slow, but it saves you a lot of strain on your wrist because all the action and the torque is in that direction. Let me show you. As you noticed, it is not as fast as the other machines, but it is your choice if you want to buy it. It is a screwdriver only.